That was for the thumbnail, but okay, I have no idea what I'm doing, guys. I apologize. No, I'm not apologizing for nothing. But anyways, guys, today I've decided to do a vlog. So welcome to the vlog. Welcome to the vlog. Get ready for the day, because here's the thing. I woke up early in the morning, right? Like I normally did. And then, hold on. When I try to get out of bed, my body was like, not today. So I'm like, okay, no worries, body. We don't have to go on a walk. We don't have to take my dog out, because normally in the morning I take my dog out, but not today. Which is okay, you know, sometimes you just gotta listen to your body, but don't listen to your body too much, because sometimes your body's like, I can't do it today, and then it goes on to say,
also, can we just lay in bed all day? The answer is no.
Also, so we're just gonna get right into it. The first thing that I want to do is, I think I'm gonna get started with just cleaning up my room, because that's, you know, just when you're having a lazy day, you just gotta start with small things to just just get a momentum. I think that's how they say it. To get a momentum, you just gotta start with the small things. And the small thing right now that I need to do is make my bed. So we're gonna go make my bed. Hey guys, welcome back. So I went ahead and took a shower, and I put on this thing, I forgot what it's called, and then this top right here, because it's a little cold in my room. So I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm trying to be quiet because somebody's sleeping next door and I don't want to wake them up. But yeah, and I already went ahead and cleaned, and I'm just about to get ready to have my breakfast. And I already have it ready, but I am currently on a diet, so I can't eat until it's like 12. So yeah. Alright, so the breakfast I'm eating is, this is what it looks like. It's for thumbnail. It's called firfir, and this is like Ethiopian food that you just eat, like it's a breakfast food. If you're Ethiopian, you would know. I love to eat it, even though I'm on a diet. I don't care, man. I'm gonna eat whatever. But yeah, and then I'll be watching some sort of show. Okay, so, and something else I was gonna say. Yeah, I don't know about you guys, but I've literally stopped watching Netflix, any streaming platforms. All I watch nowadays is YouTube, and it works for me. Like, it doesn't get me hooked to the thing. I just watch one YouTube video and that's it for me. I'm done for the day, and I just go on with my day. It really helps me. I don't watch TikTok, and it helps that I create videos as well. So but yeah, and I'll be watching that while eating in my room, by the way, because I don't care. I'm doing it all in my room. So I'm like waiting for this time. I only have 1 more minute, and it's taking forever. But until then, I'm gonna find the perfect YouTube video that I can watch. Well, I don't know about you guys. It's 12 already. I'm into watching Say Yes to the Dress. I think I'm gonna watch one of their videos from there, because I really love it. There we go. Alright, so I'm currently doing my studies, and I just realized one of the things about me is whenever I am, why am I feel like I'm not looking at the camera? Sorry, let me restart that again. One thing about me, whenever I have a plan, goals, it's never one goal, it's usually multiple goals. And my issue is I tackle them all at once, which makes it so that it's hard for me to really lock in, and like, I don't know, I feel like instead of actively learning, I passively learn. So right now I'm creating a plan. I can, instead of like feeling like I'm doing 30 things at once, I can break them down. And well, my current plan is work on one thing for 30 minutes. There are things that I will do daily for a few minutes each day, and there are things that I will do depending on the day. So that's how I'm trying to solve this. And I just came back from walking my dog. It's really hot outside. I wasn't able to walk him all the way, but he was able to do his business, roll around the grass a little bit. Now he's all hot. I'm hot. That's why I'm taking off the jacket that I wore. But yeah, but so far I've done like a lot of things, but I just noticed myself stressing out. So I was like, the best way for me to not stress out is to have a plan. And I remember somebody saying failing to plan is planning to fail. So instead of just going at it, I'm gonna plan and tackle it like that. Okay guys, so I went ahead, had my breakfast dinner. I just made it, and I thought, because the lights or the electricity was gonna be down because of the storm, but it wasn't, so I was able to just cook myself dinner. And I don't know, it's definitely hitting me hard a little, like just even thinking about working, it's kind of stressing me. I think I did a really good job with everything that I've done so far. And the other thing is, my dog got scared and he was physically shaking, so I had to make sure that he was okay as well. And the noise that you hear in the background, that's Bluey playing so that he doesn't hear the storm. I need to get him like one of those headphones so that he doesn't have to get scared anytime there's a storm. But I am saying goodnight for the day, and it will conclude today's vlog. I wasn't able to capture myself doing much except doing studies and just me taking breaks, and this just doesn't mean that I do this every single time, because every single day is different. Sometimes I have just enough energy to keep going. Other times I don't have that much energy to like be doing anything. And right now I just feel stressed, and I feel, I don't know, just that exhaustion is still there, and I have to go to work tomorrow. So I think it would be wise for me to just rest for the rest of the day, relax and have fun, and then get to sleep. But yeah, and thank you guys for watching, and in the next video, actually I don't even know what I'm saying, but I'll see you guys in the next video.